The keyword monitor is great for keeping an eye out for specific keywords on a page. This is ideal for picking up mentions of your brand, checking for special offers, or picking up on specific errors on a page. To get started, enter the URL you want to check and click Preview. Once the page is loaded, type the keyword to monitor. If the keyword already exists on the page, the green checkmark will appear, and the monitor will trigger when the keyword is no longer found. If the keyword is not yet present on the page, a red notice will appear, and the monitor will trigger should the keyword be detected. Based on your objective, you can select the frequency of checks from every 3 months down to 5 minutes for rapidly changing pages. Then, click Start Monitoring to get started. Hexowatch will keep an eye on the page and will notify you when the keywords are detected. The Keyword Monitor also provides advanced settings. You can monitor multiple keywords using conditional rules. This is ideal if you want to look for certain keyword combinations on the page. You can tap into our optional residential proxies for more complex scenarios, providing access to server locations all around the world. Custom notification channels can be used to receive alerts via Discord, email, Telegram, Slack, Zapier, your browser, or via webhooks. User agent options allow your organization to whitelist Hexawatch. Advanced scheduling options are also available to customize your monitor to your needs. Tags can also be used to organize your monitors inside your account.